Hello everyone, this is Haytham Abu Damas and I am the lab instructor for the course of Digital Logic Design, namely ENDD 200. In our first lab meeting, we introduced to students the fundamentals of logic design and gates, OR gates, and the actual logic behind them. This means that we have to familiarize them with base 2 or the binary number system, conversion from decimal to binary, and vice versa. In our second lab meeting, we try to implement a simple distributed alarm system using and OR gates. After their familiarization with these logic gates and the truth tables, we try to teach them how to use K-maps to simplify Boolean logic equations. Later on, we build with the students error checking for digital communications. In particular, we try to implement a simple parity check circuit. Later on, we introduce students to digital arithmetic or binary arithmetic using adder circuits and subtractor circuits. Later on, we revise and recover everything that the students have learned in previous labs to implement a more sophisticated alarm system using logic gates. Finally, we introduce to students the building blocks of memory devices in computers and similar machines. To be exact, we familiarize them with the concept of flip-flops and how registers are implemented using flip-flop circuits.
Hello, my name is Amjad Ghawanmi. I am the Director of Undergraduate Program at the College of Engineering and IT, University of Dubai. I am also the coordinator of Electrical Engineering Program in the college. So this is the corridor that we use to access the lab. Students can come from the elevator or from the main stairs, the open stairs. In addition, we have here other stairs that are used for emergency evacuation in case of fire. The corridor also has two fire hose reels that are used in case of fire, and they are equipped with up-to-date equipment. In the corridor, there are also sirens and emergency announcement equipment that are used to communicate messages to people in the corridor. In addition to emergency lights in case of power disruption. This is the lab that we use in order to conduct the experiments for this course. At the main entrance of the lab, there is an emergency first aid list of instructions that can be accessed in case of emergency, equipped with main phone number for ambulance, reception, security, and clinic. There is a fire blanket with an up-to-date inspection and instructions on how to use it. In addition, two fire extinguishers are provided with two different label codes for different types of fires and with regular inspections for these fire extinguishers. This siren is also used to communicate messages for people in this room in case of any type of emergency. The lab is used to conduct the experiments, and it's equipped with 12 stations. Each station will have an up-to-date computer. In addition, the station will have a national instrument, NI Elvis 2 stations. It comes with Google or safety glasses in case these are needed by students. There are also function generators and oscilloscopes that can be used for the experiments. The station is also equipped with an emergency stop button to disconnect the power in case of emergency. There is also a whiteboard and smart screen and a main computer for the lab instructor that can be used in order to explain the experiments for students at the beginning of the lab. first aid kit is also provided in the lab in case of emergency situation. In addition, there is a main power off button that can be used in case of emergency in order to turn the power off in the whole lab.